angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing my 2023 Notion setup. It has changed a little bit since last time and I had a lot of fun filming this video and giving you my commentaries as usual, so make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos, and comment down below what you want to see next, and let's just get straight on into this little beige aesthetic Notion tour. So when I open up my little dashboard here, this is what it looks like. I definitely have like a beige aesthetic. I actually have over here, I have 3 other ones that we'll go through, but this is like my main one since I am a student. So little cute little thing here, it's called student dashboard. You scroll down, I have my Google calendar, and then like here you can just see my week, because for some reason like it didn't sync up, so I just have this for funsies kind of thing, but it lets me know like the dates and stuff. Then I have this little cute little quote, and it actually goes to like the widget type thing, and I make sure that it looks beige. This is also part of the widgets, and I just set it to whatever. I don't even know how I set up the life, but it reset for the year. And then you scroll down a little bit more. This is where it gets to the fun stuff. So I have my playlist. I always have it linked down in my description if you want to check it out. I recently revamped it. It's called Sitting Like a Pinterest Board, which I love. And it is like 5 hours, who even knows? I've been trying to like increase the amount of stuff I have there. So on the left hand side, we have the ones that I use the most, I guess you could say, out of these two. And then on the right hand side, I have junior year things, which is like whatever. So this is my bell schedule for my school, boom, boom, boom. Then I also have Turkish. Now, I just created this, but I love this emoji. And then I have like vocab that I've been learning, and I just put in the word, the meaning, and then tags are just like, I learned it, or it needs more time. You know, we're getting there. And then I have like, I have no idea, which I haven't done yet. It's just like certain ones I need to figure out like pronunciation wise. So, and then I also have phrases, which I love this emoji so much. Let's talk about that. I love this emoji. But this is just like ones that I've come across. The one that I can say is merhaba, günaydın, which is hello, good morning, and I say that pretty well. The other ones are like, oh, need some more time. And then I also like to put the date on like when I found the phrase, and I'm doing this on Duolingo, so if you wanna do that as well. And then I do ACT questions of the day, but I haven't done it in a while. So basically I'll put in the subject it was over, if I got it correct or incorrect, the date, and then like how I felt about it, like what I'm doing, what was it about, like, you know. I have gotten a bunch incorrect, to be honest, but you know, we're getting better as time goes on. But I haven't done one in like 2 weeks, so I need to get back to it. But I am taking the ACT prep course, so yeah. And I will try to leave the template to my whole thing down below so that you guys can like figure it out. And then I have books. So, oh my gosh, I haven't updated this. So these are the books that I have right now, currently in my possession. So I have A Very Large Expansive Sea. I rated this 5 stars. Feelings and Thoughts, I'll talk about that later. Would I read it again? Yes. The date that I finished it, it was like last Saturday, so I'll put it here. And yeah, so I have the title of the book, the rating, and it's out of 5, and this one, Very Large Expansive Sea, was amazing. Feelings and thoughts are just like about the book, did I relate to it, but I'll definitely do that later. And then like, would I read it again? It's literally a yes or no, like, you know. And then I like knowing the date that I finished them. And then the thoughts are just so like, if I ever do a book video, you guys will know like how I thought about it. And then if we go over to this little year of 2023, I have my school calendar, which is just telling me like A and B days, and when I have spring break, when I have days off, things like that. And then let's get back real quick. Then I have my goals. This one I actually really like. Fun fact, all of these templates I stole from like other people. Not stole, but I like used them from other people and then put it all together. So I separated this from health, relationships, financial, lifestyle, career, and creative hobbies. I think I put this in a video, but I don't even remember which one. And travel and adventure. I want to go to Florida this week, and not this week, but like this year, drive more on the highway. That's funny. And then travel to North Carolina. Those are kind of my 3. And then letter to myself. I actually just put this on my phone. So I feel like I should like copy and paste that into here because I just put it on my phone. But yeah, so I left a little message to myself from like the last day, December 31st, 2022, so that I'll read it December 31st, 2023, and then write a new letter for myself. Then I have college. I'm hoping next semester I'll take a lot of college classes. Don't ask why I changed my voice. Okay, so here you go. So like semester overview, this was someone else's template that I just put inside here. So like I can fill in all the courses I have, and then like within those courses, I can like fill out the information, the time, the day, all the stuff. I just think this is like cool because it'll help me with my courseworks and classes next year if I end up, going to college and doing all the things. So you can just fill in like the time, the days, the location, and everything like that. And then if we go back to college, I also have a course overview. This is just a picture. The course link is actually here. And this is where you get like all of your courses, and then as well as like extra tools to use. I literally wish I remembered who made all of these templates because I don't remember. And then assignment tasks. I've actually made this one myself. It's literally just like how I like to do it. So it's like completed, assignment name, the class. I haven't actually changed put any class, the assignment type, the due date, and then like the status, which is like either complete, not started, or in progress. So I made this one myself. It wasn't that hard either way. Personally, I like making everything aesthetic because it makes me more motivated to actually do the things. But overall, it's super, super cool. Then I have a revision tracker, which like, do I even know what this is? No. Study sessions. These I thought would be cool for like when I want to study and like things like that. I feel like I didn't really specify, but like, so right now I'm taking my classes in my normal school, but like next year or next semester, I want to do like half a day at my school and then half a day at like a college. So this specific thing right here, like this whole page, is gonna be like where I put all my classwork, all my stuff, and like do all the things. Then I have notebook, and this, I feel like there was nothing here. It was just like an empty page. So I just kind of added this in case I want to like take notes or whatever. I feel like I'll definitely probably end up taking like online notes and then like synthesizing them together and like making a whole thing. So then when you scroll down, you have like quick notes, you have a little picture, another picture, and a quote, and then like a timetable of like what your ideal day would look like. I actually changed this to like the times that I would have it, and then I just haven't put in any classes yet, but of course I have to get accepted to go to the college and like do all this stuff. I definitely want to make like me getting accepted into colleges and like not getting accepted and like applying for things this summer, but that'll be for future me to think about. And then resources, this is just like little emojis and icons and things like that to make your thing more aesthetic, but it always takes so long to load. Like, let's be real, this takes so long to load. I can't with this. So that's my college thing. I really like that one actually. And then journal, this is another thing that I kind of took off the internet. So you have entries, journals, mood log. I actually want to start using this, but I've been pretty sucky. Today, I am in a really good mood actually. It's crazy. So today, entries, mood. Can I even change? I am playful, inspired, optimistic, cheerful. I'm cheerful today. Optimistic and cheerful. Let's go. And then boom, that's today. And then I should probably put a date. Overall feeling 5. Energy level, boom. I'm telling you guys. Tags. So this is journal. This is another thing I like took from people, and then you can like add in extra journals and like entries and stuff. I personally haven't put any entries. What is this? Happy place. That's funny. And yeah, I've just kind of been experimenting and like adding like templates that I like all together. So this is one of them. I actually haven't touched this one really, but I like the overall feel. Then when you scroll down past my little studying angel, I literally can't speak today, my playlist. I have to-do list. Do I ever use this? No. I literally like doing like handwritten ones. This is like if it's something super important and like I need to like remember it everywhere. And notes, I literally always have you got this with a cute little heart. I never really put anything. Then these two pictures are actually from Pinterest. And then if you scroll down, I have my agenda. So I have the next couple weeks for the next month, and if you kind of bring it down, it's just like literally I have all of my classes laid out. I'll like copy and paste them. You'll see them in a second. And then I put what I did in that class and then like homework, and then eventually I'll put it in another thing that you'll see. And then I have a little overview just to make sure I know. And then I archive all of them because I just like knowing what I do with my life. Why is this like this? Yeah, so I have all of my things little archived, and it's super, super cute. So yeah, this is how I keep everything organized for when I go to classes. And then this is my schoolwork. This is where I put all the assignments that I need to do in the upcoming weeks. So what I do is I just like delete them once I've completed. I just delete everything once I've done it. So I did these pre-tests. I'm taking an ACT prep course. I've told you this. This was a while ago. And then I'll kind of keep these ones just to make sure that I know them, because these were like new things that, oh my gosh, this one's actually kind of old though. Like I feel like I did that a while ago. Like that was already graded. This was already graded. I keep things that weren't graded yet. So this wasn't graded yet. This wasn't graded yet. None of these were graded yet. And then I still have to do this. This was due when I'm filming this yesterday. There's no actual due date, but like I wanted to complete it, and now I'm like procrastinating. So this I finished. Let's check that off the list and put complete. So pretty much I put the assignment name, like literally my school uses Canvas. I'll just copy and paste the assignment name, and it's just like a report outline. Then I have all of the classes I'm taking, and this was in my college page as well. And then I put the like type of assignment. So is it just like an assignment, a practice assessment, quiz, presentations? I do presentations a lot. And then the due date. So, and then if it's complete or not. So again, it's literally just complete, in progress, or not started. And then down here we have all of my classes. So then again, I'll just like copy these, copy. Let's actually like set this up, I guess. And then I'll just paste them in. So I only have them, boom, chicka-laka. And then I'll just go back down, copy these ones, and put them on the days that I have them. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Cool. So that is my student dashboard. Let's move on to my YouTube one. This one is so simple. I'll tell you which ones I use the most. I don't use these two, the video layouts, video checklists, don't use that. I just have it in case I want to use it, I guess you could. Then I have my content planner. This is where I actually plan off my stuff. As you can see, I actually use this one. And then milestones, I use all of these. I'm not monetized yet, so like I haven't used this one, but I want to. I do use this one for analytics. I'll put like each, so like 2023 month numbers, and then I'll just put in like how many videos I made this year, the growth, the views, the notes. Notes is like my thoughts, my feelings type of thing. So yeah, I do that. And then I also do the same thing for subscribers. And this one's just like whenever I reach like a certain amount, I'll like put how I felt and like everything. So I'm very thankful that you guys follow me and subscribe. So thank you for all the love. I do use video ideas, and I do videos that do well, because it's just cool to have them all in the same place. And then sponsorships. I've done no sponsorships yet. I'm really picky with sponsorships, collaborations, because I just want to make sure that like it represents my branding overall. So yes, YouTube page is literally the most simple thing ever. I don't use the top two, but then everything else I pretty much use. And then I have like a little quote. It's like, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. How cute. So this was my YouTube one. Super simple. This little picture is, I don't even know what it is, but I like the emoji. So then my last one is my church one. again, all of these I took from somebody else. So we have an overview. I use none of these. The only one I use is lesson plans, and I literally just like have the lesson plans planned out. Like this one, oh, there's nothing that day. I'll have all of my notes, all of my stuff all together, and then I archive them once it's been a couple weeks and months and stuff. I feel like habit tracker, I don't really use habit trackers. I just have this for funsies because it's cute. And then agenda, this is where I got my original agenda, as you can see. But then I kind of just, fun class ideas. Why didn't I use this one every once in a while, but I keep everything kind of in the same place. I don't even live in San Francisco. What the heck? I don't use any of these. Nope, I don't. So I love all of these pages. I just haven't gone around to like using them. I do use the shopping list one, to be honest, but it's like more of things that I want for the class. So like dry erase markers, scissors, things like that. And that is literally everything. I don't use anything else, but I would love to eventually. Thank you for watching, for listening to my little spiel about everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And once you hit the bell, you'll be part of the Angels team. So stay tuned for next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.